Welcome to Brescia, a picturesque city nestled at the foot of the Alps in northern Italy with a rich and diverse industrial history. Located in the Lombardy province, Brescia industrial roots date back to the Industrial Revolution. The region's abundant natural resources, such as water and metals, laid the foundation for the growth of various industries, including weapon and tool manufacturing, as well as the automotive sector. In Brescia, we also find Gnuticerillo, a renowned brass and hot forging company. Established in 1967, this family-owned business has become a global leader in its field. Lumezzane, a distinctive area in Brescia, is steeped in a rich history of craftsmanship, industry, and entrepreneurial spirit. Skilled workers from Lumezzane once crafted weapons for major companies in the region, often taking on tasks within their own homes. Over the years, these talented artisans leveraged their expertise to build successful enterprises, transforming Lumezzane into a bustling industrial hub. Experience the unique charm of Lumezzane, a town where the past and present unite, and the fusion of residential and industrial areas creates a dynamic and thriving environment. Time, a leading company in Brescia, specializes in designing and manufacturing high-quality components. TIMME has integrated advanced robotic systems into its production processes. In addition to manufacturing prowess, TIMME boasts an innovative logistics system that optimizes supply chain management. Exemplifies the fusion of human ingenuity and technological advancement, driving the future of manufacturing and logistics. During our tour, we visited Castello Bonomi Winery, nestled amidst Brescia's enchanting landscape. Savor the exquisite flavors of their award-winning wines, a testament to generations of viticultural passion and expertise.
Embark on a journey through the world's most beautiful car race at the Mille Miglia Museum, an ode to automotive excellence. Founded in 1927, it was an epic open-road endurance race that spanned 1,000 miles across Italy's stunning landscape. Over the years, this prestigious event captured the hearts of drivers and enthusiasts alike, showcasing the prowess of the finest classic cars. Nestled in Brescia's historic monastery of Saint Euphemia, the Mille Miglia Museum brings this captivating story to life. Explore a treasure trove of vintage vehicles, artifacts, and memorabilia that celebrate the courage, innovation, and passion of this iconic race. From interactive exhibits to immersive multimedia displays, the museum captures the essence of Mille Miglia, transporting visitors back in time. Experience the legacy of Mille Miglia, where motoring legends were born, rivalries were forged, and dreams were realized on the open road. Visit the Mille Miglia Museum and relive the magic of the world's most beautiful race, a symbol of Italian pride and automotive excellence.